Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. So I wasn't really planning on filming tonight. I'm in jammies. My pajamas, already showered and washed my brushes. And I'm just wanting to open my toile bag that just showed. I don't know if it's upside down. Is it upside down? I just want to show this. I want to compare it to this bag, my bag of the week. I'm using this is the Amazon dupe. And then I went ahead and ordered this bag. And I already opened it, so I don't want to I'm not putting a front on. I opened it already. But this one came in a very basic standard box. It was just a box with tape, right? It could have come from anywhere. This one comes in a nice branded box. It comes in a nice branded dust cover or dust bag. Dust bag comes in a nice branded dust bag. Nice branded dust bag, which is pretty nice, actually. Really nice. This one came in a dust bag, but it's one of those really thin paper-like ones. You know what I'm talking about? I got this in this robin egg blue, which is very denim blue, very on trend. This is nice. And I hate to say it, it's nice. It's nice. Okay. So let's compare them. I'm feeling, this one feels softer. It does. This one feels a little bit nicer. Maybe it's the experience of opening it, but this is the mini, by the way. This would be, I think, considered the mini size. Would be considered the medium or large size, because then they have the double. I didn't think I would like a double one, just because that double, I just don't think I would really be into it. I do think that this size, this larger size, works more perfect for me for my bag of the week. So that I'm excited about. All right, this is kind of a funny thing. Okay, so I did some when I say research, it's very light, but I did a little bit of research on this brand, and their thing is that this is more cleanable, and I believe it. I'm not gonna test it. I'm not gonna try to dirty it and try to clean it. But this is supposed to be wipeable and cleanable. I did do a test on this bag because I didn't know, right? This has more of that soft fake suede. I'm gonna just give you, I'm just gonna show you. So I don't know, hopefully you can see. It's more of a soft suede, right? It's not suede, whatever, polyester, whatever this material is. But it's that softer microfiber feel. And then I rubbed some lipstick on the inside to see if I could wipe it. I couldn't. Let's see, I don't know if I can show you. Right in here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. That's fine. So in here, I tried a little test patch because I was like, oh, can I wipe this? I'll test it somewhere random. I couldn't do it. So I was like, okay, so this doesn't clean as well. This one claims that you can clean it better. But it's not as nice. The inside of this one is way nicer. Way nicer, in my opinion. It feels nicer. But this one's supposedly more cleanable, so that's fine. This has the double straps, which I love. This one does not. This one does not. This one just has the single. The inside pockets feel similar. I mean, obviously it's a different size, so we have to keep that in mind. But this one has pockets here where the smaller one, my dupe, doesn't. This comes out in my dupe as well. That's the big opening. I wanted to just show. So this one is shorter. Do you see it? By a little bit. So, interesting. So you're not gonna be able to have taller things in here. Okay, that's fine. I don't think it's enough to matter, but it might be. We'll see. And then obviously it's bigger this way. Oh, can you see it's bigger this way? It's definitely bigger this way. So there's definitely more space in this one, but this one's a little bit taller. And again, remember, these are 2 different sizes, so you have to bear that in mind. This is the mini. I would think would be like the mini. That's the Dupe one. This was just a little bit too small for my like weekly bag, but I would definitely travel with this for sure. I love it. I love it. This would be, because it's shorter, I feel like I could fit it in my carry-on better. But I wouldn't travel with this one necessarily. I think this just feels too big to travel with. But then again, who knows? Because if I was gonna travel, hold on, I'll be right back. So one of my friends in my makeup group has this Tucket bag, the Tucket. I don't know how to say this. Apparently Etoile and Tucket are like both Australian brands. Did you know that? I didn't know that. So I have this Tucket bag. I've talked about this before on my channel. I did an unboxing, but I don't think I ever posted it. Should I post my unboxing of this? Maybe I will. Anyway, I have the Tucket bag. And what she does, so a friend of my Facebook group has this Tucket bag. And she says she does this. Like, these are her 2 like ideal travel bags. And when she said that, I'm like, yes, exactly. Because you could put brushes in here. I really like the Tucket bag, but it's a little bit too small. But together, this has to be a powerhouse combo for travel. So I'm into that. Anyway, so, but if you had the bigger one of this, maybe then just the one. Well, we'll see. We'll see what we take on our next trip. But my main focus is my bag of the week. So I think that this size would be better for the bag of the week. And from what I saw on Amazon, they don't have this size. They don't have this size in the Dupe. They have like this mini size or the double, with the double, what's it called? Like the double zipper one, which is, I would think would be the extra large. I don't know. Anyway, so that's my comparison. So obviously we're moving into this for the bag of the week. And yeah, but I wanted to just show you that. While we're here, I thought it would just be fun to have like another little unboxing of another item I purchased. This came today too. I'm really excited. This came from Strathberry. I have wanted this for so long. I've been looking at this for a while. I ordered this through Sophia Sees Beauty. She loves this brand. She talks about this brand all the time. But what I have been obsessing about this brand. Let's open it. I have opened this too, but I'm opening it with you. I got a little care guide. We have a little dust bag. And then we have a little sunglass case. And it's a little bag charm sunglass case. I have wanted this for so long, but it's really expensive. And the one I really want is the oxblood color. I'm pretty sure that's the one. Hold on, I'm taking this off while I talk. Is the oxblood color. And that one is so beautiful, but that one is like the brand new color and hasn't gone on sale. But look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. And this, so this has a nice, well, it has a nice strong strap. So you don't know this, I don't talk about this at all ever, but I collect sunglasses. That's kind of another thing I collect. I have a bunch of them. I haven't bought a pair in a while. I'm trying not to. This has a little, like a little, what are we calling this? Like a little button. A little button on a strap. So this will strap to your bag. Okay, here's the paper. This is the shade Library Green. It's like a sage green. I hope it comes across. There's the branding in gold. Isn't it beautiful? So let me grab a pair of sunglasses. Okay, I just happen to have my bag here. I bring it up to my office at night. I just leave it on my chair. So here's this, and I have my sunglasses here. They're dirty, but okay, let's see I hope this is nice. So I guess you would just put them in here like this. afraid to snap it because I'm afraid it's gonna hurt my sunglasses. But if I put my finger in there, okay, there we go. So this is how you would, oh my God, this is so nice. So here's my bag for an example. And then we're gonna take, and I'm just gonna literally strap it over the strap. I wouldn't, well, I'd use it with any bag really. The point is for my summer to have it like on my bag at summer. So this would be the strap. This would be your bag charm, but it's also your sunglass holder. Which I don't know if I would use this for this bag. You'd probably definitely need it for something bigger. But then again, I might for this bag because this is smaller and then I can't really fit the sunglasses inside. So, but this would go with anything. And obviously the colors don't really match. That's why this would look so nice with that other color I want. So the new color that I want, that one has not gone on sale because I watched the sales. And I bought this on sale. They had like a 20% off, I think, sale. Maybe 25, which is why I got it. I finally just pulled the trigger. This smells delicious. It's a good leather. So anyway, yeah, that was my 2 unboxings of my bags. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, this short video. I'll try to snip this together short so you see my unboxings. But thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.